Hey guys, in this video I'll show you best IQ option script special for you. And if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel for next video and next update. And if you download this script, link in my Telegram channel, please join my Telegram channel. And if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe channel. This is a 100% Nick Davis script and this is a 100% paid script. I can send this script free, so join my Telegram channel so I can add this script. So paste this script and click save, then indicator, click script and click Nick Davis script. Okay, so apply this script. Okay, so let's get start with the script trading. Okay, please join my Telegram channel for download this script, no problem. so 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 next candle I can trade. Okay, here is the next candle buy. Okay, let's signal. Please subscribe my channel. Okay, so today I have many lose because market is very bad. So I'm going to trade on $15 so I can place on lower option because the market skip signal by down, but my trade very late entry, no problem. So let's see the result. so but here is a strong buyers are coming in here. Okay, very bad OTC market today. Okay, so let's see. 4 3 2 1 and boom, and as you can see I have profit. So let's see another situation. Here is a okay, I had placed many trades on lower option because as you can see this is a OTC market pattern. Here is a one green and two red, one green two red, and one green is two red. But let's see the result. If I lose this state, I can recover this state, no problem. If you download this script, link in my Telegram channel, please join my Telegram channel and download this script. Okay, and if you not join Best Binance Broker, link in my description box. Simply click and sign up, start forex and binary trading. Okay, so I lose this trade, no problem. Okay, so here is a can I can place on higher option. So let's see. Let's see the result. Okay, here is a buyers area. Let's see. So let's see. Okay, as you can see I have used profit. Okay, so 6 4 3 2 1 and boom. Okay, profit. So